Welcome back, friends, to my channel Concepts with HP Sir. So today we'll be discussing about some basic questions based on the formulas a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the third formula is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So I have already made a detailed video on the explanation of all these three formulas. So kindly watch the previous video and I have given the link in the I button on the top right hand corner. So moving on, we'll be discussing some typical questions which are based on these three formulas. Before that, please hit the subscribe button to my channel if you are new to my channel, and do like and share the videos. Also hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's begin today's video with the first question, that is 3x plus 5y whole square. So using the formula we can say that this is equal to the square of 3x plus twice of first term multiplied by the second term plus 5y whole square. Okay, so I have used the first formula, that was a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So hence we can write it as 9x square plus 30xy plus 25y square. So that is the answer for 3x plus 5y whole square. Moving on to the second question, 2a minus b whole square. So now there is minus sign in brackets. So the expansion for this will be square of 2a minus twice of 2a into b plus square of b. So that is equal to 4a square minus 4ab plus b square. Okay, so all you have to remember is that whether the sign is plus or it is minus, the identity states that you have to square the first term, then you have to add twice of the first term multiplied by the second term plus the square of second term. Okay, so always remember to solve the question in this way, that you have to square the first term plus twice of first term and second term plus the second term. And when the sign is negative, then the identity is square of first term minus twice the product of first and second term plus the square of second term. Okay, so just keep this logic in your mind and solving these questions will become very easy for you. So moving on, now suppose you have to solve 100 into 100 minus 99 into 99. Suppose this is your question. So we can write it as 100 square minus 99 square. Okay, so you have square of two terms which are being subtracted. So here we'll be using the third identity, that was a square minus b square is equal to the sum of a plus b multiplied by the difference of a and b. Hence we can write this down as 100 plus 99 into 100 minus 99, sum of the first two terms into difference of the two terms. So this will become 199 into 1, hence the answer is 199. So that is how we will use the third identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let's try another question. Suppose the question is, so if the question says that you have to find the square of 9.4, so you can write this down as 9 plus 0.4 whole square. 9 can be written as 9 plus 0.4, or you can write this down as 10 minus 0.6 whole square. Okay, both of them are correct. So in the first case we are using the sign plus, and in the second we are using the sign minus. So in the first case we'll use the first identity, and hence we'll write down square of 9 plus twice of 9 into 0.4 plus 0.4 square. So this will become 81 plus 9 into 0.8 plus 0.16. So that becomes 81 plus 7.2 plus 0.16 equal to 88.2 plus 0.16, so equal to 88.36. Now solving it with the second method, when we are writing it as 10 minus 0.6, hence you will get square of 10 minus 2 multiplied by the first term, that is 10 multiplied by 0.6 plus the square of 0.6, so equal to 100 minus 12 plus 0.36, so this is equal to 88 plus 0.36, that is equal to 88.36. So you can see that from both the cases the answer is coming out to be same. So hence you can use either of the two formulas. Either you can say it is equal to 9 plus 0.4, or you can say it is equal to 10 minus 0.6. So moving on, suppose the next question is find the square of 2x minus 3y. So in this case, again all you have to do is 2x minus 3y whole square. Sign is negative, so we'll use the formula of a minus b whole square. So you'll write down 2x whole square minus twice of first term into second term plus the square of second term. So that is equal to 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. That's the answer. Please like and share amongst your friends, and do hit the subscribe button. Suppose the question is 4.9 multiplied by 5.1. Okay, there are two decimal numbers which you have to multiply. So in this case we can write it as 5 minus 0.1. 4.9 can be written like this, multiplied by 5 plus 0.1. This is how 5.1 can be written. So now as you can see, this has come out to be in the form a minus b into a plus b, and it is equal to a square minus b square, the third identity. Hence we can write it as square of 5 minus square of 0.1. So 25 minus 0.01, that means 24.99. Okay, so we can use our algebraic identities in solving normal decimal multiplication questions. So I hope you have understood all the different type of questions based on the three identities. If so, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So until the next video, take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.